In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use attachments in Joplin to add images, PDFs, and other files directly into your notes. Attachments in Joplin are called resources. Whenever you attach something to a note, Joplin stores it as a resource and keeps it linked to that note. That means your reference files, screenshots, and documents live right alongside your writing, so you don't have to hunt through folders to find them later. Let's start with the quickest way to add an attachment. Open the note where you want the file to go, then drag the file from your computer right into the note editor. Joplin immediately imports it for you. Images show up as previews you can see inline, which is perfect for illustrations, diagrams, or screenshots. Other file types like PDFs, audio, or documents appear as clean, clickable links. Click the link anytime to open the file with your default app and jump straight into it. If you prefer clicking instead of dragging, you can use the toolbar. Look for the paperclip icon near your formatting tools. Click it, choose the file you want from your computer, and hit Open. Joplin attaches it to the current note in the same way as drag and drop, so you get either an image preview or a link depending on the file type. This works great for images, audio files, PDFs, and most common document formats. There's also a super fast method for images and screenshots. Take a screenshot using your computer's built-in shortcut, then paste it directly into the note with Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac. Joplin instantly inserts the image at your cursor, which is perfect for capturing quick visuals while you're researching or documenting a process. A quick note about syncing. Attachments sync across your devices whenever you run a sync, just like the rest of your notes. Whether you use Dropbox, OneDrive, WebDAV, or a Joplin server, give Joplin enough time to finish uploading so those files appear everywhere. You can watch the sync status to confirm it's complete, and remember that large files may take a bit longer. Keeping the app open and on a stable connection helps speed things up. That's all you need to use attachments in Joplin. Drag and drop, use the paperclip, or paste screenshots, and your files stay organized with your notes. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Joplin tips. Thanks for watching.